Hello guys, welcome back to another Inspo. For today's video, here going to show you or discuss with you how to fix Honeywell Thermostat says wait. So if you're having problems with your thermostat here and you're wondering what does the wait sign here actually means on your Honeywell thermostat. Well, if your Honeywell's thermostat is showing the wait message here, it's not an actual error that you need to worry about. So this actually usually means that the system is protecting your HVAC equipment. So the wait message appears because your thermostat is delaying the compressor from turning on too soon. So this is normal safety feature here that prevents damage from short, or in this case, prevents damage from short cycling here. Now, delay usually lasts around like 5 minutes. Now, what you should be doing here. Now, the direct and basically the easiest way for you to fix this problem is, or in this case, it's not a problem, it's just basically just wait for about 5 minutes here. Now, the system, just let it do its thing here, wait up to 5 minutes. This is normal time it takes before your heating or cooling system starts again. So you may want to do something else, turn after 5 minutes or 10 minutes here, and see if it's actually past the wait status here. Now, also, you may want to check the thermostat settings as well. So make sure your thermostat set to the correct mode here, heat or cool, and that the temperature settings here make sense for your current needs. And also, you may want to inspect your power supply. So double check that the thermostat has power. So look at your home circuit breaker panel and see if anything has tripped. Replace any blown fuse if actually needed. And if none of this actually works for you, it's been a while since it's in the wait status here. So in this case, you may want to reset your thermostat. So what you need to do is you want to turn off your thermostat, wait for a few seconds, turn back on, and this can sometimes clear up any lingering glitches. But yeah, so in this case, that's about it. Hopefully this video was able to help you like and subscribe to NF Inspo. Thank you for watching.